Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Windows PC. And in today's video, I will show you how to increase text or app icon on your desktop environment on your Windows PC. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you come to your startup menu right here. So right click on it. Then go ahead and make sure you click on settings. So here you go. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and I'll make sure you navigate to system right here. Click on system. Then from system right here, under the display section from your PC, under display, next thing you want to do is to scroll down right here. Make sure you navigate to scale and layout right here. Change the size of text, apps, and other items. So go ahead and click on here and then you can choose to 125% by default. Once you switch to 125% by default, then in a few seconds, just like what you see right here, it's going to change all apps icon and the text and the likes on my Windows PC. Just like what you see right here, this text here has been drastically increased. So if I minimize and go back to my desktop environment, you see all app icon here has been fully increased in size. It's that simple. For more tutorials, tips and tricks on how best to use your Windows PC, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you